to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I preserve my scent leaf, because this is fall. It's officially fall. The weather has dropped, okay, and my garden very soon, by the time winter gets here, my garden is going to turn to dry land. So I had to harvest the scent leaves now. So now that it's still very early, so I have a video on how I harvested my scent leaves. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to leave it down the description box below. Please go check it out. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how I preserve my scent leaves. Okay, if you live outside Africa, if you live say in the States where I live, or say London where the weather is really cold, you know what I'm talking about. So this is the best time for me to preserve my vegetables. So in this video, I'll show you how I preserve my scent leaf, because this is gonna last me throughout the winter when there will be no planting till the following summer, next summer, which is going to be next year. So I want you to stick with me to the end of this video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up at the end of this video and subscribe. Click that subscribe button. That subscribe button, yes, the red subscribe button. Subscription is free, and when you click that subscribe button, please select also that every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. I upload videos at least 2 times every week, and to all my old subscribers, I really appreciate all your love and support. Thank you so much for always coming back again and again and again to watch my videos. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. So yes, let's get down to the main thing. I'll show you how I preserve my scent leaf, my chow. Okay, let's go. So guys, this is my fresh nchao. I haven't added any artificial fertilizer to my nchao, my scent leaf. It is fresh, and I do not add any preservative, nothing like that to it. So it's just pure organic, fresh organic. So I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on the harvest. So this is it all together. I had this much nchao. It's a lot of scent leaves, okay? So I have a lot of it in here, and I'm just going to drag it inside, ride my cat inside, and then we get down to the main thing. Okay, so here I left this nchao on the table like this, and then I went for a birthday party, so I left it for about 2 days on the table like this, and before I came back to start removing the leaves from the stem. So what I'm doing right here is I'm removing the leaves from the stem. That's what you want to do. You don't want to leave it. You don't want to leave the stem with the leaves. You want to detach the leaves from the stem. So my daughter is here helping me out. Mommy's little girl. She's here helping me out, and of course, the earlier you teach them about things like this, the better, because you want them to be able to take care of themselves and also help you out in the house as well. So this is a lot of scent leaves. So it took me hours to remove the leaves from the stem, because this nchao is a lot. So after some more than an hour this is what I have, and you can see the stem beside my shredder here on the floor, because it's a lot, and that bag there is what I put the stem inside. So yeah, so now it's time for me to wash my leaves, and I'm pouring my leaves into my sink. You can see the color of these leaves. You can see that some are fresh and some are kind of dry. My husband asked me to dry them all together, put them under the sun and dry it, and then cook it as dry leaves. I said no, I don't want to cook it as dry leaves because I don't like the dry nchanwu. I like it fresh. So you can see that some are dry, some leaves are dry, some leaves are still fresh, but that's still okay because soaking it in water like this is going to revive that freshness a little bit. And another thing I observe is that when I dry, if I dry nchanwu, and then I use it to cook soup like pepper soup or cook anything, it's not going to give me that flavor that I need. So it's the fresh one that gives me that great flavor that I need for my recipes. Okay, so you can see that I'm washing this nchanwu. I have soaked it in the water for like a minute, so that in cold water. I soaked it in cold water for about a minute so that it can revive that freshness, because I left it on the table for about 2 days. I'm telling you, if you leave it even just for a day, it's going to dry up. It's gonna dry, it's not gonna be fresh anymore. So it's better, don't do like me, it's better you do it immediately when you harvest it. So this is my container. I'm gonna keep it by the side, and I'm going to wash my nchanwu inside. That's what I'm gonna wash the nchanwu inside. So you want to do the same for yours. Keep a container by the side so that you can wash it inside. So you can see that I'm washing it and I'm squeezing the water out of the leaves, and I'm going to repeat the same. Just wash and then you squeeze out the water like this, and then put it in your container beside you. I'm going to repeat the same for the rest of the leaves in the sink. All right. Okay. Alright. You'll be alright. So after I'm done, I removed all the leaves, and at the bottom of my sink there is sand, because of course you harvested it from the garden, so you're much likely to have sand. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to rinse it with water, wash the sand inside of the sink, so that I won't have sand in my vegetables. So you want to do the same for yours. You can see that I'm using my water hose to make sure that I rinse all the sand out of the sink, because I'm going to wash it again, and I'm going to wash it again, repeat that same process for about 3 to 4 times to make sure that I do not have a sandy vegetable. You don't want sand, okay? Or and you want to wash it, make sure that it is very clean before you get into the next process, which I'm going to show you. So fill up your sink again with another water, and then pour in your vegetables, your scent leaf, and then let it get above the vegetables. Let the water get above the vegetable. Let the water in the sink be enough to wash the vegetables. Okay, so let's wash our vegetables, and then I'll show you what else to do. Alright. Okay.
You'll be alright, 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 oh, okay, 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 I'll be okay, alright, 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 right, okay, okay, you'll be okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright.
So guys, this is all the scent leaves after washing. I squeezed them into this container because I didn't want to use 2 containers. So I just grabbed a handful of some scent leaves and I'm just going to cut it into tiny pieces because that's how I love my scent leaves and my vegetables. But if you like yours to be in chunks, you can cut it as that size, okay? But I love it in smaller pieces, so I'm just going to slice it in smaller pieces, and I'm going to do the same for all the vegetables in this container, okay? This is the last batch of cutting. So I tell you, from harvesting from the garden to the washing, to the detaching the leaves from the stem, to the washing, to the cutting, to the preserving. I'm telling you, if you want to eat organic, this is what you have to go through, but it's okay, it's all worth it, okay? Like I said, by the time I'm done with it, it's gonna last me for about a year, if not more than that, because I don't cook it every day. But during this winter, I'm gonna do a lot of pepper soups, and this is gonna be very handy. So, but it's still gonna last me for up to a year because it's a lot. So this is the last batch that I'm cutting. You can see I'm cutting it repeatedly because I want it to be in small chunks, and then I squeeze it into that into the Ziploc bag. So I didn't have a lot of space, so I just had to press it in, and then this is it. It's a lot, but it's gonna last me for up to a year. Yes, up to 12 months. So this is all the scent leaves, okay? So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna lock my Ziploc bag. I had to label it so that I do not mix it up with other vegetables in the freezer, and put it in the freezer. I just wanted you to take a look at the leaves closely, okay? So this is it. It's fresh and it's organic. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I really appreciate it. So if you enjoyed this video, if you learned a thing or two, I want you to give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, and click the red subscribe button, below, okay? So, and when you do that, you click on the bell icon and select all, so that every time I upload a new video, which I do that at least 2 times every week, okay, you'll be the first person to be notified. Also, I'm going to leave other garden videos of mine in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. I have other videos of how I harvested my organic fresh vegetables. Please check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Savannah Naija Foodie. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.